Okay, what's up? I probably look stupid, but this is what it looked like before. I'm gonna just turn around so you can see it from the back. This would look like. Dun, 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 dun. So now I'm really gonna show you how to do it. I ain't got no haircut. Wave still fresh though, I think. Yeah. All right. So the scarf or whatever you want to use. I got a scarf from Walmart, $5. Yeah. So what I did was even it out. You can fold it, but this is real. It's like real skinny, so you really gotta fold it. Depending on how big your head is or how tight you want it. Yep. All right. So put it on your head. Even it out. Check the ends in the mirror. I'm gonna pull the camera so you can see. Well, you probably can't see, but I evened it out on both ends, or how even I wanted it. Boom. See, I should have just left it. All right. Boom. Then you pull it back. I'm gonna show you from the back. So the two ends, you're gonna pull it like this. Pull them out. I had a phone call, but anyway, you twist them. You can twist them to the front like this. So as you're twisting them, make sure you hold your twist. And then what I did was just put the right arm, hold this one still with the twist. I keep twisting it, holding my twist. As I pull it around my head, I keep twisting it around. Bring it all the way around. The same with the left one that you had in the left side. Put it in your right hand, twist it all the way around like this. Once you get to the back, you can do yours either two different type of ways. Like two different type of ways I do mine. I either, if I'm in a rush, or I don't really feel like having it that tight, I just tie it like how you tie your regular shoestring, but instead of doing a knot, just tie it like that. You can let it hang like that. Try to look from the front. Make sure it's evening out. It's not gonna be even because I just didn't put mine even like I really wanted to. But you can do it like this. That's a nice look. Or you could just the same way. Do it all the way around. While you're still twisting. And tuck it up under the right side. Take it this way. And then you can tuck this one just like I did right here. But tuck it up under the left side. Hopefully I got some enough lift. Boom. Boom. Like that. I don't know how it looks from the back. Boom. I probably don't like it. But yeah, you can do it like that. I don't even know if you're seeing it. I'll stand this way. Like this. Or you could just tuck it up under. If you were none of the strings hanging. And just tuck it. Tuck, tuck, tuck. And boom. There you go, turban. And sometimes you can either twist it, fix it however you want it, cross it like that. Or you can do it the way I just had it. But yeah, that's how you do a turban. Well, that's how I do mine. I'm mad that you can't turn my camera around, but check it out in the other mirror. Boom, from the back. There we go.